So to set up a Google Sheets for your group, when you are in your Gmail account for the school, you'll see this menu up here with your Google Apps. So you can click on Sheets, and then from here you can start a new sheet, and you have to name it first. So name it Master Budget Project Group 1 or whatever your number is. And then you can just say share. So you could just add the email addresses of your group members, or you can come down here under general access, Prairie State EDU. Anyone with that email address could access it. Copy the link, and then you can just give that to your group members. So then you could just email your group members with that link, and then they'll be able to all get in. Okay, so I don't know, maybe you do want to restrict it. You don't want anyone else with the Prairie State EDU address getting in and making, because anybody who gets in can make changes.